demands more than 18,000 hours of flight time. I use many different types of roles. The T-6, that T is for a trainer aircraft. The United States Army Air Corps called the T-6, the Navy called it the SNJ, and our friends up north of Canada called it the Harvard, all the same airplane. Powered by 1,340 cubic inch ring electric crank, it has 600 horsepower per aircraft. As Mark leads them back through the nice formation-ville roll. Now these airplanes weigh about 5,300 pounds apiece. Again, they were a trainer aircraft. And the sounds you're hearing, not so much exhaust, that 600 horsepower Pratt Whitney engine. After that's Brian raking from the left-hand side, they cross the Airshow center for us. Then they cross at the bottom, come across up, watch the Airshow center cross one more time. There's a nice heartless guy for all the lovely ladies out there. Actually, they call that the opposing loops. Now is 1 and 4. It's Jimmy Ford on the right-hand side. Mark Hanley on the left-hand side. We're coming through firm weight to lift this time. They're going to ease back to 6, load those airplanes up. Again, these airframes are over 75 years old. They weren't built to last this long. You got to take your hats off to all the men and women out there worldwide to keep these old warbirds flying. Right on top of it, the simultaneous snap, the avalanche on top of loop. From Louisiana, and Mr. Jimmy Ford from Monroe, Louisiana. Just talking, when you're flying formation aerobatics, you have to trust the lead pilot. The lead pilot has to trust that his wingmen are not going to fly into him, and the wingman has to trust that they have to use rudder in these airplanes. Factor. Jimmy Ford him up there. He's solo when he's 16 years old, went on against commercial instrument and multi-engine sailplane and instructor's rating by the time he was 19 years old. He's logged more than 21,000 hours of flight time now. Sometimes these guys just love to fly something. Doesn't matter what, it's just something. The sponsors to keep the airplanes flying. They want to thank AEROSHELL, Honda Generators, Pepco Foods, Champion Aerospace, Kimmel Aviation Shorts, Bose Headsets, Lincoln Welders, Goodyear, Hooker Harness, CJ Aviation, Aspen Avionics, Concord Batteries, Strong Parachutes, Fidelio